How to save a Word document. If you want to save, you go to Microsoft Office button, you just click, you go to save as, you just click Word document, you click, and a save dialog box will appear, or save as dialog box. Now you come to files name, or first of all you choose the folder where you want your document to appear. Let's go, I have UA folder. You just click, you say open. Now you can now give a title to your document. You just say UA me. Now you are saving the format as Word document. Now you can say save. It is saved. When you come to title bar, you can see UAME /Microsoft Word, which means that you have saved the document. That is the way of saving any Microsoft Word document.